Let's learn how to multiply a whole number by a fraction. In this example, we'll multiply 4 times 2/3. To help us understand this visually, let's first represent 4 using rectangles. Here are 4 equal rectangles. Now, for each rectangle, we want to take 2/3 of it. To do this, let's first divide each rectangle into 3 equal parts. For each rectangle, we'll take 2 of these 3 parts, which represents 2/3. To solve this mathematically, let's first rewrite 4 as a fraction. 4 is equal to 4 over 1. Now, we can multiply these fractions. When multiplying fractions, we multiply the numerators together and multiply the denominators together. 4 times 2 equals 8, and 1 times 3 equals 3. So our answer is 8/3. Looking back at our visual representation, we can count 8 total highlighted parts, and each rectangle was divided into 3 parts. This matches our mathematical answer of 8/3. Therefore, 4 times 2/3 equals 8/3.